Okay, so let me blast through them. Hi everyone. My name is Tony Rose. This is Laura. We're student reader, and we are building on the principles of experimentation, teaching, and building. And we think that in this era of exponential technology, everyone really needs to adopt a learning mindset and a growth mindset. And so we're here to help make learning fun, and we do that through experiential learning labs that at the same time as we're bringing and onboarding new people into Web3, we're learning how to build better UX and better products for those new users as we go. This up top here, you can see our roadmap of how this all ties together. And we have a GitHub roadmap as well that you can go and see more details of how we plan to build this out. The proposal we're talking about here is for DAOGEN.ai, and this is building open source AI infrastructure. And it's something we've been experimenting with for about 3 months. And we've built DAOGEN, which is a choose your own adventure game where players build their own AI avatar character. And inside of a Slack room, they do choose your own adventure game. And so they complete quests, like first they build their character. Maybe if they put their character on Twitter, they earn Squircle coins. So one of the things we're doing with this game is having a cryptocurrency coin that is not worth anything, that makes it really easy and fun for people to get that experience of having cryptocurrencies, getting a wallet, playing a choose your own adventure game, and then interacting with a DAO. So there's a lot of experiential learning through gamification of Web3 technology. And the hook is really through AI. So we're reaching out to an entire new community of people interested in emerging technology, bringing them in through AI avatar characters into the Cardano ecosystem without ever really talking about blockchain or Web3 or DAO technology. It's all about come build your character, come do a choose your own adventure game. And while you're at it, you'll learn some cool stuff. So this proposal specifically is for building the production infrastructure. We've done the testing with our proof of concept where I had the AI agents running on my laptop and plugged into a Slack room. We had about 15 members of our community in there. So we know that it's possible. We know that it works. We know that people engage pretty deeply with this concept. And so we want to put this in production. We want to teach people how to build their AI character. And then we want to have the Slack room operating 24/7 instead of just when my laptop is on. So that's what this proposal is really about, is the production infrastructure, as well as 2 specific AI agents. One is Falcon A Quest. The acronym is FAQ. And so he would be an example of a customer support, a new user onboarding AI agent. That will also be open source. So we're kind of showing people best practices for building AI agents that can onboard people into their own projects by first building it for this DAOGEN game. The second AI agent that we build as part of this proposal is Zoe Austin, and she's a PR and media agent. So her job is to observe everything that's going on in the game and periodically write tweets and New York Times style news articles about the fictional game that's going on. So while we're building the game and learning how to build this technology, we're also doing this in the open and providing the community tools for building AI agents for their own projects, onboarding new users into Web3 and Cardano. And we're excited about this proposal, and thank you for your support.